In today's video, I'll show you how to add short answer questions in Typeform step by step. If you want people to type quick responses, names, opinions, or simple feedback inside your form, the short answer option is one of the easiest question types to use. First, open Typeform and go to your workspace. From there, create a new form or open an existing one that you want to edit. Once the form builder opens, look at the left side of the screen and click the Add Content button. This will open a list of all available question types. Now choose the Short Text question type. In some layouts, it may also appear as Short Answer. Click on it and the question will instantly appear inside your form. Next, type your question in the main text area. For example, you can ask something simple like, "What is your name?" or "What do you think about our service?" If needed, you can also add a short description below the question to give users more context or instructions. After that, head over to the Settings panel on the right side to customize the question. Here, you can make the question required so users cannot skip it before continuing. This is useful for collecting important information like names or email addresses. You can also add validation rules. For example, if you expect a specific type of answer, Typeform can help limit incorrect responses and keep your data organized. Another helpful feature is customizing the placeholder text. This is the light text users see inside the answer box before they start typing. You can use it to guide them with examples or instructions. If you want a cleaner and more professional form, keep your questions short and easy to understand. Beginners often make forms too complicated, but simple questions usually get better response rates. Before publishing your form, click the Preview button to test everything yourself. This helps you make sure the question looks good and works properly on both desktop and mobile devices. And that's it. You've successfully added a short answer question in Typeform and customized it for your form. And that's how you add short answer questions in Typeform. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.